honest.
How do you set yourself apart in such a competitive world, especially from a food perspective?
I mean, look, you've got to still have great menus. You've got to have, the price has got to be right to attract everyone, and the quality's got to be there. I think the minute you start dumbing down quality and people notice it, they'll go to your competitor, even though your competitor might have already dumbed down the quality. So you've got to be ahead of the game on not only quality, freshness, but trends. Trends is the other thing as well that you need. You can't have trends that you had 5-6 years ago. You need to have the stuff back on. Even if you only have it on the menu for 6 months, you're ahead of the game. And again, it all comes down to that TV that people are looking at, what's going on the telly, magazines, what people are talking about. So that's what tries and sets us apart, is how can we be ahead of the curve.
And does plant-based burgers are a part of that, or is this something that's not something on your menu?
No, I mean, look, we've had plant-based stuff on the menu quite a few years. Again, we've gone through the phases of looking at the vegetarian burger, vegetarian sausage, vegan burger, vegan sausage. We've looked at the fake meats. You know, I think veganism is here to stay. But I think, again, I don't think people want the fake meats no more. I think they want the plants, things made from vegetables again, because it's better for them. So we are slowly looking at that whole plant-based thing again, and trying to remove fake meats where possible. I mean, it was great a couple of years ago. But again, now people are looking at what is in that vegan sausage, what is in that burger, what is on that dish. Is it fake? Is it plants? So I think for us, it's making sure we've got the right product in the right unit.
That's quite interesting remark, actually. I don't often hear that distinction. We talk a lot about, you know, sustainability and non-food, non-meat, etc. The change in proteins, but I never heard the remark of, you know, fake meat into let's say a real substance which is not called meat but is just a plant, which is of course better for everything. For the
And
for the
there's some
environment.
great meat. There's some great fake meats out there. I'm not going to say there's not. I've tried hundreds, but I just think people now, they are looking for that plant version of it. I don't know why. It's what people want, and we get asked for it all the time.
Yeah.